I just wanted to counter in terms of, a lot of people have misperceptions about online learning. So online learning, if you look at what UGC says is there is ODL, open distance learning, and then there is online learning. The open distance learning is the typical IGNU model, where you have, books also given, you have study centers, etc. Online learning, as per the DEB, which is the Distance Education Bureau, has given 4 outlines in terms of content, assessments, and, discussion forums, etc. So we need to be cognizant of that. I agree with Samir, 4 trends which are happening. Number 1 is in terms of gig economy. Number 2, contractual hiring has gone up by 25%. Number 3, skills over degrees is become very important. And 4th is the fact that you'll see more in rise of internships and apprenticeships, where companies first hire these people and then decide if they want to actually take them up also or not. Unfortunately for us, the past 2 years, you'll see a dip in the IT hiring and the telecom hiring. The industries which require online learning or you need courses, for example, you have, energy, which has grown by almost 26%, healthcare grown by 18%, e-commerce, which is 15%, and manufacturing 12%. And you'll see very few online courses in that. So that needs to be, again, taken into context. From an industry perspective, what are we doing? There is already forums which are there in place, and I don't know if you're part of them. But like I sit on the FICCI Higher Education and the EdTech Committee. Their work is in terms of providing policies for changing, what the government may do. I would recommend that you should do that. From a scale perspective, I think you need to look at from an outcome side. We have EdTech partners like PhysicsWallah as well as UpGrad. Typically, PhysicsWallah does 10 lakh YouTube views in a day. And they have now gone ahead and participated with the IIT, IIMs, and other companies where we are working in tandem with them, specifically to ensure that their platform, which would include a digital university in a box, which can be provided. So there are various options on that. From an AWS side, my name is Lokesh, I represent Amazon Web Services. So we have trained almost 6.2 million people, which includes a huge chunk, almost 75% online. We offer free courses right from institution-wise, which is called AWS Academy. AWS Educate for any person who wants to do micro-credentials, 20 minutes on GenAI, 20 minutes on AI, ML, or IoT or anything. And then you have Skill Builder, which teaches you in terms of advanced skill. All these have hands-on experience. So that is very critical that the hands-on component is attached, because that's what the organizations want to see, both from a recruitment perspective as well as an internship perspective.